Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Let's enter. As you can see here, we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter again. And in this credential storage at the very bottom, we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually, this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.